What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I am here at the spot where I filmed a video 1 year ago today. I'm filming this video on the day of the upload. I'm gonna go home, edit it right now, put it out for y'all, but I wanted to upload it the same exact day I did as last year. So last year I uploaded a video saying I got a new truck. Wasn't new, it was a used truck, 1994 Ford F-150. I recently sold that truck a few months ago. I bought this truck. So 1 year ago today, on the day of the upload, I uploaded a video saying I bought a new truck, and here I am 1 year later. Honestly insane. It's crazy how far we've gotten. I also have a new yak coming up, so stay tuned for that. That's a little surprise that I want to have to show you. But anyways, first on the truck, it's a little dirty right now, so don't mind that. But honestly, I just like to thank the people close to me, my friends, my girlfriend, her parents, my brother. A lot of people have supported me and a lot of people have doubted me. There's gonna be haters out there, but anyways, we made it happen. So here is a new whip. It's a 2017 Ram 1500. I want to do a bit of B-roll, kind of show you around the truck. It's a little dirty, like I said, don't mind that. I just haven't had time to wash it. It's been like maybe a month since I've washed the truck, but I've had it for a little bit, and then after that I'll give you some details about it. So enjoy the B-roll. All right, folks, I hope y'all enjoyed that little bit of B-roll that I put in there. I'm sorry if there's like music in the background. There's construction going on in front of me. Honestly, like pretty crazy that I even achieved getting a truck like this. Like I said, I want to thank everyone again who supported me. Pretty crazy journey. I moved out at 19 years old. Honestly, didn't really know what I was gonna do with my life, and I still don't know exactly what I want to do, but I just followed what made me happy. I just did what I could, tried my best, worked hard, and it got me to this point, which is honestly insane. I credit myself a lot for it, which I did put in a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort on my part. So it sounds kind of cocky, kind of messed up, but I like to thank myself. But I do like to thank everyone else who supported me. It's been a long journey. A lot of y'all don't know my story, and I'm not gonna say it on camera, but it's pretty crazy. Everything that I've been through, it's just a lot that I don't feel comfortable explaining on camera, but honestly insane. This thing is gonna help me in a lot of fishing videos. It's gonna put me through like everything that I need to do work wise. It's just an all-time great truck. Yeah, gas is pricey right now, but it does hurt a little bit, but it's a truck. I mean, what do you expect? Let me show y'all around the truck. Enough talking, enough me explaining my feelings. I'm sure y'all don't want to hear about that. But anyways, we're gonna show you the inside of the truck, kind of show you the ins and outs, what I like, what I don't like. I mean, there's not a lot, sorry, I can't talk. There's not a lot that I don't like. It's a pretty awesome truck overall. I mean, steering wheel, seats, it's got everything you need. Bluetooth, AC. My other truck didn't have AC when I first bought it. I put AC. I did so much to that truck. Lift kit, tires, I did a ton to that truck, and I mean, I just sold it. I couldn't deal with having an old truck in case I ever needed to go out of town or anything like that. So here it is, the nice new truck, 2017, not super new, but back here I got some storage. I have my tools. Pretty awesome truck. It is very dirty. I do a lot of work out of it, fishing videos as well, so like there's always going to be mud on the floor. Fishing adventures that I do. I got a portable charger here, all my sunglasses, first aid kit, a lot of nonsense that I'm sure y'all don't care about. I have receipts, a lot of storage here, another storage compartment there. But the main thing I really like about this truck is that it's got a lot of power. These tires were on my old truck and I put them on this truck. Luckily they fit because I paid an arm and a leg for these rims and tires. But yeah, this truck is awesome. It hasn't given me any problems. It's got around 60,000 miles. Overall, I've loved the truck so far. Hasn't given me any problems, like I said. I did some modifications to it, of course, just a few things. So first thing, the tires, like I already mentioned, tires and rims. These lights already came with it, like these lights right here. I honestly don't like how they're mounted. If I ever get a bumper, I might just mount it on the bumper, but like they face up into the sky. Like if I were to turn them on right now, they'd face like up into the sky. I mean, they kind of work, but they kind of don't. But if I were to get a bumper, like I said, I'd put them on the bumper. I've already tried fixing them, kind of making them straight, but they don't align right. I have also put this toolbox on here. I got it on sale for like Memorial Day or something like that, I don't even remember, and I got it on sale, put it on here. Honestly, pretty awesome. And then the Yeti, I put on the Yeti right there as well. It's very convenient. I have it locked up and tied up. Let me give you a better look at that on the other side. Here's the Yeti. I put this Yeti on here because, like I said, I do a lot of work outside. I have my own little business on the side. It's honestly pretty convenient having this cooler here. If y'all have like a toolbox or something like this, I'd recommend doing this, like if you do a lot of outside work. To me, I mean, I could put it back here also just to kind of reach over and grab a drink, but it's also pretty convenient here. I just open it and just grab a drink whenever I want. So right now I just have like waters, Powerades in there. Anyways, that's one part that I really like about my truck. I really like this toolbox as well. I like the little rail it has on it. Overall, great toolbox. Haven't had any problems with it. This Yeti surprisingly doesn't get in the way too much. I just put the key in, the little hydraulics help me lift up the top, and I just get whatever I need. I don't have big things in here. I have like my paddle, some tools here and there, a little toolbox that honestly just comes right out, even though the Yeti is kind of in the way. So I haven't had any issues with the cooler being on top. For those of y'all wondering, I've been able to get to my tools in and out. I also have my gas tanks here as well. That's just in case anything happens where I need gas. Like I said, I do a lot of outside work, so I use these quite often. I use these a lot. This bed liner came with the truck, which is awesome. I throw my kayak in here. I just toss stuff in all the time, so this is pretty awesome that I have this bed liner. It is like kind of broken here, but that's just with any wear and tear on any truck. It still serves its purpose and it still works. Awesome, great truck. Like I wouldn't have many complaints about it. Only the gas is what kills me. For those of y'all wondering how much gas this takes, so for when gas was like at $4.49 or something like that, when it was kind of high, it would take 60 bucks to fill up half a tank. Just for like 1 week that it would last me. Half a tank would last me 1 week. I do step on it, I get about 14 miles to the gallon or so. But yeah, it's still an awesome truck. I like it a lot. It's gonna serve me a lot. I mean, we're gonna do trips in this Devil's River. If it's not dried up, we'll go down there, go fishing other lakes, maybe even other tournaments. We'll see down the road. Drop any comments down below if you have any ideas what to do with this thing. I mean, there's endless possibilities of what we can do. I'm not loaded with money where I can do like a 6-inch lift kit, whatever, but drop any comments down below and I'll consider them, or any trips as well. But enough rambling. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to make a quick little video because 1 year ago today, like I said, I've said it like 5 times already, I uploaded that video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Smash the like button, subscribe if y'all haven't already to the channel. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.